A help or a hindrance? That's the debate on a Maryland law enacted in 2022 that does not allow a juvenile to be questioned by police without talking to an attorney first and a parent or guardian notified. The recent shooting death of a Joppatowne High School student bringing new criticism to the Child Interrogation Protection Act, as Harford County Sheriff Jeff Gaylor says it's hindering their investigation as the murder weapon remains missing.
And again, the easiest way to get that answer is we have a person who we're going to be charging as an adult for committing a heinous crime in a school, and we're not allowed to talk to him. That is lunacy. Top
prosecutors across the state are calling on the law to be repealed.
But this is what I don't get. Even if the parent says, yes, we can talk to their son or daughter, a lawyer, and here lately it's the public defender is saying you can't talk to my client. Of course, you know, they're not saying that we can talk to anyone.
They're jealously defending their client.
They're shutting it down.
Amendments to the bill were introduced last session that would have allowed parents to waive their child's right to speak with an attorney and consent to interrogation. But those amendments did not pass. Now, Annapolis lawmakers promising to bring the bill back to the drawing board yet again.
This is something that should be looked at and should be repealed.
Delegate Nino Mangione, a Republican from Baltimore County, says it's time public safety and common sense take priority.
It attempts to put, and I have a major problem with this, government between parents and their children. And if a child is detained by law enforcement, the parent, if they want to say yes, give the opportunity to be questioned by the police, well, that should be all that's needed. But no, because of this failed legislation from several years ago, it usurps parental authority, shoves parents to the side, puts another barrier on law enforcement.
Delegate Kathy Shalega, a Republican from Baltimore County.
This bill needs to be repealed or seriously amended.
With similar concerns, telling Fox 45 the law must be revisited next session.
When there is a firearm in the community, the police need to have the tools to apprehend a criminal and to find weapons in the community.
But Democrats in the General Assembly have a different viewpoint. Delegate Andre Johnson, a Democrat representing Harford County, says he believes the act, quote, strikes a critical balance, offering protections for victims, alleged perpetrators, and law enforcement alike, while ensuring that the judicial process remains above reproach. And Delegate Alethea McCaskill, a Baltimore County Democrat, says we need to support local law enforcement with resources they need to implement this law correctly, adding, I would like to see in the next year or two data that supports or opposes this piece of legislation before I give more insight into whether or not this law should be revisited.
Even former Governor Larry Hogan taking to X on this topic just yesterday, tweeting out that it's putting Maryland families in danger, calling the law ludicrous. Reporting live in Baltimore, Maxine Stryker, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.